Chris YouTube channel. So today we have a fresh package on 2-day DHL from Italy. Let's unveil this bad boy for you guys. Oh yeah. What do you guys think it's gonna be? Obviously I know, but we're gonna leave that until I can open the box. Ooh, heard that? All right. What do you guys think it is? Oh man, what get a rig packing. But anyway, fresh from Italy, we got the DNA racing component upper the strut tower brace rather. There it is. Hold on, let me put this down. Got a package shipped to me that wasn't supposed to come to me, so this is gonna go to Florida to its rightful owner. Looks like an FMIC, most likely. Already got one, so I don't need it. But either way, not my stuff. So here we go, guys. Oh, nice. Here's the bar itself. And then these are what it looks like. And what will connect to the actual strut tower. Man, it's like, I'm sweating balls here. It's like almost 100 degrees outside right now, and it's like 5 p.m. Nice. So we'll I assume that will be hooked onto that way, and this will connect into the strut tower, which I might end up having to drill for that, honestly. Oh, nice. They just put a DNA decal on it. Yeah, we'll have to see, but I might have to drill into the area where the strut tower is and then run screws through. I think that might be how it is. But either way, strut tower brace, guys, super excited. So install coming up right now. All right, guys. So I definitely skipped a whole bunch of the install process. Kind of got right into it a little bit because I was curious about it. So we're gonna finish up here for you guys. Here we go, DNA strut tower brace install. So essentially you'll start by removing this piece, which starts with the windshield wipers. There's 2 bolts, they're 13s, they'll connect right there. You'll pull the rubber gasket off of there. You'll pull that 13 off. Those will feel like they don't want to come off. You just give them a nice yank and they'll come off. And then this next piece down here, which is what connects to these red tabs right there. Those are a bunch of little screws like this, and that's what holds this kind of weather stripping part in, and then these 2 bolts as well, and that holds that in. You need to take all that off so you can access the strut towers here. And then the fun part comes where there's supposed to be 2 holes, I believe. My car only had 1. So we're gonna go with 4 holes for installation because you don't really need all 6. It's a little bit overkill. So I'm currently drilling into there. As you can see all the shavings everywhere. I'm boring the hole out a little bit because my drill bit, the only one that was sharp enough, isn't big enough. So I'm just kind of working it around, and it's slowly but surely making its way. I just got that one in. I wanted to kind of test that out, and then we're going to drill some holes in this. Somewhere right around there and right around there, so we'll get like clean fitment of the bar just popping out of there and then recessing back in. And then check out this nice crack I just got from that canyon run. Fucking chipped right there and then cracked all the way through, so that's gonna be fun. We're gonna have to take care of that, but for now I'm going to continue boring out that hole, and then we're gonna get it all bolted up and then be able to take it for a real test drive. 4 bolts are in. These back 2 are already bolted from the bottom, so I just need to do the front 2 real quick. I'm gonna have to pull the car out of the garage, probably jack up each side, turn the wheel so I can reach underneath and get the nut on the bottom, lock it up. And then I'm going to pull this bar off, measure the fitment, and then drill holes in the plastic so I can put the plastic back on and then slide this on and connect it underneath. So it will be a nice clean fitment for once in this car's history. We're gonna make something nice and clean. No, I'm just kidding. Some of the performance stuff are clean on here, but visually, like these fenders, they're whatever, temporary. We'll get there, but that kit's expensive. So for now, suspension handling upgrades. But yeah, so I know a lot of people are electing to do this because they're drilling, but man, even driving on just 2 bolts, it was already so much stiffer. I can't wait to really test it out and whip it around a corner with this fully locked in and these fully tightened down. So yeah, let me pull the car out and get those on. Gotta love that noise. And for those of you that are just tuning into my channel, this is my 2013 Fiat 500 Abarth, nice and dirty. What's the lowdown on this thing? So it's got, obviously now as you can see, this new DNA strut tower brace. It's got the RM corset chassis braces, the RM rear anti-sway bar, and camber bolts up in the front. It's got BC coilovers in all 4 corners. It's got drag DR 53 wheels and 16 by 8.25 plus 25 offset. Stop Tech drilled slotted rotors in the front and Stop Tech slotted in the rear with RM track pads. It has the RM turbo blanket. I've got the RM catless wrap downpipe that I wrap myself. It's got the STP Performance catback exhaust from Cody Freeman on Facebook. Shout out Cody Freeman for a good exhaust hookup. It has the ATM front fender wall intake with an oversized filter fitted on there. It's got the turbo lines, derivator valve with blow-off plate. It's got the RM lightweight crank pulley. It has Bosch 550cc E85 injectors. Runs on pure E85. It has the Alpha 4C coil packs with the NGK Iridium plugs. And it's got Euro Compulsion Phase 2 custom tune for E85, which makes a good amount of power. It has a rear seat delete with a little USA flag that I did custom. Never mind my dirty car. And it's all jacked up right now, but yeah, Schroth racing harness. And shoot, I don't know if I'm missing anything. There's probably a couple more things. Boost leak fix. Yeah, I had the RM intake. I had the RM Ultimate 3 at one point, but we switched it up. Colder intake, better tune. Yeah, I think that's pretty much the lowdown on my car for now. Oh yeah, Euro Compulsion front mount intercooler. How could I forget that, Jim? But yeah, so you know, she's getting there. It's a work in progress, but we're getting there. This DNA strut tower brace is gonna help a lot. I need some new tires. I went a little big when I got the new wheels. So new tires coming up. I want to do steel braided brake lines, new pads, and new fluid, more aggressive fluid, so I can stay a little cooler. My brakes tend to get hot, especially on the mountains. And we got Fiat on the Snake coming up in October, so we want to be nice and prepared for that. hopefully I'll get some other stuff in by that point, but for now, this is what we're going to be rocking with. She's filthy right now. I haven't bathed her in a while, but a little quick walk around. And I am actually technically on the Garrett Boost Fraternity Delta Squad, so shout out Garrett Turbos and my GT 1447 for making some good power in this thing. Had to pull off the wheel to get it done, but both are bolted up. As you can see down here, there's one, and there's the other, and the third hole would be right there, but I think we're good with two. It's more than strong enough. And I'm done fracking into my freaking strut tower for now. If I find that it's not holding the body enough, then I might do the last connection, but I haven't even theoretically bolted this down all the way, so we'll test, we'll see, but I think 4 connections is more than enough. And that holds it nice. So yeah, we're gonna do the other side, button it all back up, skip the little detail stuff, and show you guys the finished product. So as you can see, I started drilling the hole. This is that piece that it'll need to come through. 2 little holes right there. It'll make it some clean fitment. I can put the bar back in. So I'm gonna keep drilling away, keep working these holes out. You start this side, and then we can really start buttoning it back up. Hey, there it is. As you can see, I made the cuts. They ain't the prettiest, but creates the clearance. So now when I button this all back down and everything's all tight, it'll look pretty decently flush. Now we can put everything back together. So yeah, pretty stoked. It's coming out good. Alright guys, well, there you have it. Finished product. All the weather strippings buttoned back up with clearance. It's tight, but it clears just right. Everything's nice and sturdy. Now I'm really excited we can go test out this canyon and the canyons. It already felt, it made it feel like the steering was a lot heavier, but more precise, which is good. I don't mind putting in a little extra effort to get to where I want to go, as long as it gets there without the fuss, which it sounded like it was doing. But as you can see, definitely made a mess. Had to cut off a little more plastic than I was expecting, but it's in there. I'm loving it, and I'm super excited for it. Much better than that red bar that a lot of people run, that really doesn't tie anything together. So at the end of the day, it's more for looks, but this actually performs. We're gonna do the canyon testing another day. I don't really have time today, but for now, that is going to be it. So thank you guys again for watching. Stay tuned for more, and keep giving her the berries, guys. I'll catch you later.